Natural light plays a huge role in how a home feels. It can make rooms look larger, improve mood, and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. For homeowners in Conway, one of the most effective ways to increase natural light is by installing bay windows. These stylish windows do far more than enhance curb appeal. They transform interior spaces by inviting sunlight in from multiple angles. What makes bay windows special? Bay windows extend outward from the exterior wall of a home, typically made up of 3 windows joined together at angles. This design allows light to enter from the front and both sides, unlike standard flat windows that only capture light straight on. Because of this unique structure, bay windows naturally collect more daylight throughout the day, even when the sun shifts position. In Conway homes, where homeowners often want bright, welcoming interiors without excessive heat buildup, bay windows strike a perfect balance between light and comfort. Brighter rooms, all day long. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is how they spread sunlight deeper into a room. The angled side panels catch morning and afternoon light that traditional windows miss. This means rooms stay brighter for longer periods, reducing the need to turn on lamps or overhead lights. Living rooms, dining areas, and even bedrooms benefit from this effect. Many Conway homeowners notice that spaces with bay windows feel more open and cheerful, even on cloudy days. Making small spaces feel larger. Natural light has a powerful impact on how we perceive space. Bay windows don't just add sunlight, they also create the illusion of a larger room. The outward extension adds visual depth, making interiors feel less confined. This is especially helpful in older Conway homes or houses with smaller rooms. A bay window can turn a once dim corner into a bright focal point, instantly improving the overall atmosphere. Perfect spots for relaxation. Beyond light, bay windows create cozy areas that homeowners love to use. Many people add a window seat, reading nook, or decorative plants in the bay area. With sunlight pouring in from multiple directions, these spots become warm, inviting places to relax. Plants also thrive in bay windows because of the increased exposure to daylight, bringing even more life and freshness into Conway homes. Energy efficiency benefits. More natural light often leads to lower energy usage. When rooms are brighter during the day, homeowners rely less on artificial lighting, which can reduce electricity bills over time. Modern bay windows can also be designed with energy-efficient glass that allows sunlight in while minimizing heat transfer. For Conway homeowners focused on comfort and efficiency, this means enjoying a sunlit home without worrying about higher cooling costs. Enhancing curb appeal and home value. Bay windows don't just improve interiors, they also make a strong visual statement outside. From the street, they add dimension and character to a home's exterior. This enhanced curb appeal can increase overall home value, making bay windows a smart long-term investment. Potential buyers are often drawn to bright, airy homes, and bay windows help create that impression immediately. A bright upgrade for Conway homes. Bay windows are more than just an architectural feature, they're a lifestyle upgrade. By capturing sunlight from multiple angles, they brighten rooms, make spaces feel larger, and create comfortable areas for everyday living. For Conway homeowners looking to improve natural light while adding beauty and value to their homes, bay windows are an excellent choice. With the right design and placement, bay windows can completely transform how a home looks and feels, filling it with light, warmth, and lasting appeal.